Corn is a big part of Venezuelan cuisine. We put it on everything, including cachapas, which are a sort of a sweet and savory pancake that's made with the sweet and youngest corn. But what really makes a cachapa is the melted cheese inside. You guys have to try this. So check this out. This is harina pan. We use it for everything, for cachapas, for bollitos. It's basically pre-cooked white corn flour. I'm gonna keep working on the batter, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of baking powder, sugar, and salt, just to kind of finish all the flavors. So one thing I remember about growing up in Venezuela was going on long road trips with my family. And cachapas were always at the center stage of the road trip because you can just smell them from miles and miles and miles away. Because traditionally, they're cooked in a big, large iron skillet powered by firewood. So you can just smell the smokiness, smell the sugars, smell everything as you're approaching the small towns. Now let's check the consistency. Oh yeah, this is just how we want it. Not too thick, not too liquidy. Now for the fun part. Ha! In Venezuela, we cook them in a flat iron that's called a budare. It's very big, but a cast iron skillet would do just as fine. This is just like making pancakes. When I see the bubbles pop on the top, I know it's ready to flip. Boom. Oh man, look at that golden color. It's just perfect. You know what really goes well with cachapas? Is pulled pork and cheese. I happen to have some here from last night, but you guys can use whatever you have in your fridge. You can use chicken, you can use beef. I'm just gonna heat this up. Look at that. You see that's crispy right there? That's exactly what we want. Smells just like home. Like I said before, a cachapa is not a cachapa until you get the cheese. So back home, we would use queso de mano, which is a very fresh, unripened cheese. But here, we can use mozzarella or we can use halloum cheese, and they'll both get ooey gooey once we put it back on the skillet. Put some pork. Let the cheese just melt. I'm gonna try to fold this. And I'm done. Boom. We'll just let the heat do its thing and let melt the cheese, and we're ready to enjoy this. I'm gonna finish this with some fresh avocado. It's just the perfect combination for this cachapa. Can't wait to eat this. The melted cheese, the crispiness of the pork. Oh man, it's just like I'm sitting in a road trip with my family. Food brings back so much memories of home, just like in Venezuela.